वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। श्री श्याम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं में आप सभी का स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी ए न्यू टॉपिक एंटाइटल्ड फ्रेजल वर्ब्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, we must know what are the phrasal verbs. Verb plus preposition or adverb is equal to preposition, is equal to phrasal verbs. Verb plus preposition or adverb is equal to phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs का यूज हम verbs की तरह ही करते हैं। In a particular sentence we may either use verb or phrasal verbs. For that we must know the meaning of some particular phrasal verbs. I hope you will write down all these phrasal verbs and learn these phrasal verbs and use them in your own sentences. First of all, first phrasal verb is look after. Look after means care. Look is verb after preposition, दोनों मिलके इनका मीनिंग है केयर। तो इन ए पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस वी कैन यूज केयर, वी कैन यूज लुक आफ्टर if we are familiar with the meaning of this phrasal verb. Just as I have to look after my old parents. Look after means care. The form changes according to the tense of that particular sentence. Next, look into. Look into means investigate. The officers must look into the matter soon. Look into means the officers must investigate the matter soon. Break into. Enter forcibly. चोरी की नीयत से घुस जाना, सेंधमारी करना। A thief broke into his house last night. Break out means burst forth. Some illness, some war. Just as corona pandemic has broken out all over the world. कोरोना पैंडेमिक पूरे संसार में फैल चुकी है। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का वाक्य है। ब्रेकअप मीन्स कम टू एन एंड। The meeting broke up with shout of applause means ended. We may say the meeting ended with the shout of applause. Both the meanings has the same meaning. Call at means visited. I called at her house yesterday means I visited her house yesterday. as I have told you again and again, that in a particular sentence we can use verb or phrasal verbs. We use phrasal verbs to make the sentence impressive. Next है call in, means send for, बुलाना. Yesterday I was ill, so I called in a doctor. I sent for a doctor. Send for is also a phrasal verb. Call on, to visit briefly. He called on me in my office, means he came to visit me in my office for a short time, briefly. Take away means remove. Please take away all these waste papers. And take off also means remove. He took off his hat at once. So, I hope you will learn these phrasal verbs and you will use these phrasal verbs in your own sentences. Today I want to teach you some more phrasal verbs. नेक्स्ट है टेक इन. कम मीन्स डिसीव. He was taken in by some sharpers, means flatterers. Taken in means deceived. He was deceived by some sharpers. नेक्स्ट है ब्रिंग अप. ब्रिंग अप मीन्स रियर. प्रिजर्व. एग्जाम्पल है she was brought up by her uncle. उसके अंकल के द्वारा. she was reared by her uncle means brought up by her uncle, पालन पोषण किया गया. Bring out. highlight. Bring out means highlight. कोई भी चीज़ को ब्रिंग आउट करना, हाईलाइट करना। एग्जाम्पल है एन ओपन इंक्वायरी will highlight the truth. An open inquiry will highlight the truth. Or नेक्स्ट है ब्रिंग फॉर्थ। ब्रिंग फॉर्थ मीन्स प्रोड्यूस। ब्रिंग फॉर्थ मीन्स प्रोड्यूस। As example, a good tree will bring forth good fruits. नेक्स्ट है कम अक्रॉस। मीट एक्सीडेंटली, अनायास ही मिल जाना किसी का। जैसे an old friend came across an old friend came across to me in the market yesterday. So dear children, today I have taught you 15 phrasal verbs. I hope you will learn the meaning and uses of these phrasal verbs. Tomorrow, in the next period, I will teach you some more phrasal verbs. As I have told you that we uses phrasal verbs in place of verbs to make the sentences impressive, to make the language impressive. So we may use verb or phrasal verb in a particular sentence. मैंने आपसे बार बार आग्रह भी किया है और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप इस संकट की घड़ी कह दीजिए कोरोना काल में अपने समय का सदुपयोग कर रहे हैं और घर पर जो भी आपको पढ़ाया जाता है विभिन्न विषयों का अच्छी तरह से अध्ययन कर रहे हैं। इंग्लिश का मैंने आपको ये आज फ्रेजल वर्ब शुरू करवाया है। आप इसको ढंग से अपने नोटबुक में लिखेंगे और लर्न करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।